Which chakra is like this one?
That's
it feels
gonna be your
clogged.
throat chakra.
Throat?
So if you're looking for like things to kind of soothe that, any like blue crystals are gonna be good for that. It's also gonna be good to like work on your communication and like being honest. Those are all things that can help your throat.
Can I
chakra.
practice?
Can you practice?
Yeah, like
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna be honest. Like right now, I don't think it's true. Like the thinking of blue thing. So I'm working on my chakra.
Yeah.
So she just said be honest.
That's a good thing to do.
I just don't think this is all honest, you know?
Yeah. Are you gonna go in?
Huh? There's a line.
Yeah.
What's up?
No, we're just gonna right now not do that.
Please,
Okay.
please. I need beans, please. Beans. Beans. Please. Baked beans, soybeans, red beans. I know you got peanut beans. Oh!
I thought you were gonna say beans! Alright, stop. Do you guys want to see a magic trick?
I'm sorry,
You
what?
want to see a magic trick?
That's okay.
Alright,
You guys
watch
want to
out.
see a magic trick?
Are you gonna give me some money?
For a magic trick?
Yeah.
That's like a really dumb magic trick. How about like if you guess it? Okay. What kind of magic trick is that? Do you guys want to see a magic trick?
I'm scared.
Okay, just hold this. Hold it really tightly. Okay, I'm gonna make it disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go in the middle of them and I'll scream, just princess! Pretend it.
What?
Princess! 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 Have you guys seen my dog? Have you seen my dog? Yeah.
You're missing a dog?
His name is Princess.
Is he missing?
Huh? No. I don't know. I know he's somewhere.
We haven't seen a dog.
Okay. If you guys just want to scream Princess really loud, if you ever like see a dog, and if he comes to you, just like you could say hi or something. I don't know, and find me. Or I'm looking for my dog named Princess. So, Princess.
Is it missing?
Huh? What?
Is your dog missing? Like, did you lose your dog?
What?
Did you lose the dog?
Can I get y'all's number? Okay. Well, if you find Princess, just let me know.
We'll find you.
Princess!
Excuse me. Would you like to see a magic trick? Would y'all like to see a magic trick? Just trust me. Trust me. Please? Please?
Why is your friend recording?
What?
Right. Also, you're recording.
Those aren't my friends. I promise those aren't my friends. Excuse me? Ladies, would you like to see a magic trick? With this right here. Okay. So, close your eyes. Have your hand out. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Alright. So grasp it. Tight.
Okay.
Hold it tight.
Keep my eyes closed.
Okay, yeah. Alright. Thank you.
You wanna join? It's Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts.
What?
It's 13 to 16. Do you guys want to join it?
Yeah, I would love to.
Oh yeah, you come here rip a binder in half. Weak ass boy. Weak ass boy. It's apparently not. You come here rip a You can't even rip a binder in half, head ass boy. Pool basketball, you suck. You suck.